Hello friend, welcome to my channel Crypto Knowledge. So if you are new in my channel, you should know that my channel is actually based on that kind of videos like those whose people are interested and curious about cryptocurrency but they don't have any knowledge about cryptocurrency. This channel is actually for that kind of people. So if you are a fresher in cryptocurrency and if you want to know lots of things, lots of stuff about cryptocurrency, then this channel will be so much beneficial for you. Okay, so if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that when I will upload my new videos on my channel, you will get the notification instantly. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk about 4 cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, so if you are new in cryptocurrency field, then you should know about cryptocurrency wallet. What is actually cryptocurrency wallet? Okay, let me tell you in a very short word. Okay, so cryptocurrency wallet is a kind of wallet where you will keep your cryptocurrency. Okay, like an example, you have money, you have physical money like dollars. So where actually you keep your money in bank. Okay, so the same way when you will buy some cryptocurrency, you have to put your currency in somewhere. Okay, so what you will do, you will buy your cryptocurrency and you will put your cryptocurrency on your crypto wallet. So there are actually 2 kinds of crypto wallet you should know about. Okay, so there are hardware based crypto wallet and there are software based crypto wallet or application based crypto wallet. So in today's video we are going to talk about software or application based crypto wallet. In my next video I will try to talk about hardware based cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, so without any further delay, let's jump into our today's video topic. So I'm going to open my browser. Okay, I'm going to bring you on my computer screen. So here you can see I have 4 websites open on my browser. So today I'm going to explain about those 4 websites, how they work and how we can in next video I will show you how you can sign up on those, how you can create account on those websites. But in today's video I will explain you what actually this website do, or how actually that kind of website work. Okay, so the first one here you can see eToro. eToro is a web application. With this web application you can sign up their website and you can buy your cryptocurrency, you can buy your Bitcoin, you can buy your Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency you want, you can buy from their website. Like you will create an account on their website and then after that you will keep your cryptocurrency on their website. Okay, so if you go to this website, I will put all the link of those websites in my description, so no need to worry, you will find the link of those website in the video description. Okay, so the eToro website, what does it do? If you go to education, news and analytics, analysis or eToro Academy, if you go to eToro Academy, you will find lots of informative video about cryptocurrency. Okay, you will find lots of finance video about cryptocurrency, about finance. Okay, so buying crypto on eToro, how you can buy crypto in eToro, what is cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. Okay, let me tell you, if you are new in cryptocurrency, you have to investigate your own, you have to learn lots of knowledge your own, you have to find that kind of website, you have to find it your own. You have Google, you can search whatever you want in Google. So if you really want to be expert on cryptocurrency, you have to do your own research. Okay, I can only help you, I can only provide you those stuff, I can only introduce you those kind of website, but you have to do your own study. Okay, so if you go to this website eToro, then you will find the very informative videos they have available. So you can watch those videos and you can you will understand how they actually work. So here you can see eToro basics. So if you play this video, why is eToro good for investing, so you will get some idea about this. So I'm not gonna play this because of some copyright issue whatever. So you can check your own. So this is a website, and this is one of the very popular website in market, which is eToro. So you can check this website. So I'm going to number 2, which is Binance. Binance is one of the best cryptocurrency wallet. You know why? Because in Binance you can trade very easily. You can buy Bitcoin, and then you can buy with Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum. With Ethereum you can buy Bitcoin. You can trade any currency, okay, any available cryptocurrency with Binance. So I personally find Binance is one of the very user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet, okay, and they have very low fee for trading. So here you can see in Binance website, you can simply go to register, and you can register your account, or you can download the mobile app, okay. You can download in your Android device or iOS device, okay. So and then after you creating your account in Binance, in my next video, in my upcoming next videos, I will explain you detail about those website, okay. And I will show you how you can register your account, how you can create an account, how you can complete your KYC, everything you need about those stuff. I will explain you everything. No need to worry. Just support me, do subscribe my channel, and stay with me. I will explain you everything, okay. I will explain in my upcoming videos everything, and I hope that you will find my upcoming videos is so much beneficial for you, okay. If you are truly interested in cryptocurrency, and if you want to earn some money with cryptocurrency, if you want to invest your money in cryptocurrency, and if you want to earn a lot of money, then I can't guarantee that you will earn money, but I can only suggest you, I can only share you my personal experience, and that's all. So this is one of the very very well organized website I found, which is Binance.com, okay. So you can, with Binance.com, you can buy any kind of cryptocurrency, and I will show you that how you can buy cryptocurrency with Binance. You can buy cryptocurrency with a Visa or MasterCard, or even with your PayPal, okay. So this website is available for Apple Store, Android, okay, Google Play, and macOS, obviously Linux, okay. So this is, if you visit this website, you will find all the information about this website, okay, very easily. So that was number 2, and here is another one, which is Trust Wallet. And this is, trust me, this is one of the best crypto wallet. You can open, if you want, you can open account all of those website, or you can choose a single website for investing your money in cryptocurrency or buy some cryptocurrency. So this is one of the very well organized web application, as I can see, and this is also available in Apple Store, Google Play Store, and Android, okay, APK 6.0 whatever. So you deserve easy access to cryptocurrencies. This website, the motive of this website is you deserve easy access to cryptocurrencies. So you can buy Bitcoin in under 5 minutes, okay, easily earn interest on the crypto in your wallet. So how much cryptocurrency will be in your wallet, you will get some interest against this, okay. And see your collectibles, art, and NFTs in one place. Exchange your crypto without leaving the app. That means you can exchange your cryptocurrency with one to another within this app, and track chart and prices within the app, okay. So you can check the price list and chart of cryptocurrencies with this app alone, and keep your crypto safe from hackers and scammers. And this website is guarantee means they're telling that they will provide you the security from hacker and scammer, okay. So you can download this app, and you can buy cryptocurrency with this app if you interested. So that was, and here is the final one, Coinbase. Let me tell you, Coinbase is the most used web application for buying or trading cryptocurrency, okay. This is the most downloaded application in the field of cryptocurrency, and this is the best apps according to my knowledge, according to my experience. This is the best one for buying cryptocurrencies, trading cryptocurrencies, or whatever you want with cryptocurrency. So here you can see the secure app to store crypto yourself, store all your crypto and NFTs in one place. You can store all of your cryptocurrency. You can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy Dogecoin, and then you can keep all of those Bitcoin in your one wallet. Okay, so no Coinbase account required. Okay, so you maybe do this without a account. I'm not sure about this actually. I'm new in this part, but I have account. I have this app downloaded on my iPhone and I'm using this, but here they are saying that no Coinbase account required. I don't know what is that. Whatever, so I have to study more about this option. Okay, whatever. So you can simply download the app. You can download the app and you can use the app. Okay, so that is all for today, and here I show you for cryptocurrency wallet, and you can choose any of them and you can buy cryptocurrency with those web application or mobile application of those website. So thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep support me. I will catch you in my next video with more informative video and more tutorials about cryptocurrency. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.